In this video, we're going to be doing an improvisation where the left hand has an open fifth on the white keys. That's a C5, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just working with the white keys. All of this is with the white keys still. And this is going to be a broken open fifth. I can move it around. A, F, G, C. Move it up to E, F, D, etc. Okay, the right hand is also working with that same sort of shape. It's the pentascale, successive white keys, and I can move it to various locations on the keyboard. The F position, we always name it by the leftmost note. The G position, the E position, the A position, D, B, etc. Okay? So this is going to have some sort of melodic idea, something simple that I could repeat and that I can remember. And this is going to be broken down here. Do I have to start at C? I don't. Let's say I start on A. Both hands are going to be in the A position. And I need some sort of figure up here that uses the pentascale. So maybe I'm going to do this. Hopefully I'll remember it. Okay? And it's going to go with this broken fifth. I'm going to move up to C. Back to A. I'm going to go to F. I'm going to go to D. I'm going to go to E. I'm going to go all the way down to A here. Now, I could make this, instead of it being that fast, I could do it slower, but keep this the same tempo. Let's go to F. Here's G. To E. Now, with that little tune, maybe I vary it occasionally. Maybe sometimes it's exactly the same, but maybe sometimes I vary it. There it was varied. I'm going to go back to the original. Let's go back to F. Now I kind of missed that fast fifth, so maybe I bring that back. The idea. The right hand has the pentascale hand position. It's using some little melodic idea that you repeat in the different hand positions on the white keys, and the left hand just has a broken open fifth that you move around, and it can be fast, it can be slow. It doesn't even have to be regular. We didn't do it regular, that's true. So we could just do something like this. Something like that. So let's hear it with our melody. Just go to C. Back to D. Right. So it could, this little figure in the open fifth, it could come and go. It could be longer. We could go to the steady. Etc. So, hope you enjoyed that. Have fun with that.